So this is the restart of the tank, and I guess I'm going to tell you the story of what happened, why I had to start over. A lot of you guys have been asking about this tank and wanting to know how the baby fry were doing. This is the main tank. This is the 29 gallon. And as you guys could tell, those baby fry have gotten a whole lot bigger. And everyone seems to be doing well. I know the tank's on a little bit on the crowded side, but here in another week or two, we'll also be getting rid of some of these fish in this aquarium to make sure everyone has a lot more room to move around. Alright, so I got my jug that I'm going to be turning into the ECOSPHERE. I have my soil. I have a couple of rocks. And I also have some seeds that I'm going to put in there in this ECOSPHERE also. So, if you guys remember, a few weeks back, I had started a Aquascape. It was pretty much going to be for a underwater waterfall. That's what we was going to be doing. And I started the tank. Everything was looking good. The plants had just started to grow. And I made the mistake of trying to rush the process. And I pretty much just went ahead and filled up the tank full of water. And by doing that, I believe that I killed the plants. But this didn't happen just overnight. This happened over the course of a period of time. I was also had been working. So I really wasn't paying attention to it. So we're gonna shake the soil in here real quick. So I really wasn't paying attention to it and what was going on. By the time I realized what happened, it was already too late. So I had to pull everything out of there, empty out the tank, and completely restart over. Right, let me move this forward so you guys can see. Oh, exactly what I had for towel. There we go. Needless to say, I messed that up. It's a learning experience, I guess. So, started that over. And now we're back to square one. I did get the plants to regerminate. They're in the process of regerminating right now. Just started, so I'll give you guys a shot of that once we get done with this. But as you guys can, I don't know if you can see that. Got just enough soil in there to cover the bottom. I'm going to add my seeds. Now, since I can't place it, I don't have no hemostats or anything to place these in there. So I'm trying to go for a natural look anyway. So I'm going to do my best here to get these to kind of sit all in one spot. So I'm going to go ahead and pour quite a few of these in here. Now these are the same seeds I actually have in the fish tank I've been working on. There we go. Alright, put a little more in there. Perfect. Alright, so I got the seeds in there. So yeah, anyways. So, without really realizing it, I killed those plants. And thus I had to start all over. So I got these rocks right here. I want to call them slate rocks, but I'm not exactly sure. If you guys know what these rocks are called, they're flat, they're all black. Pretty sure they're slate something. I don't know the actual geological term for them, but we're going to throw these in there. I want to throw them all in the middle and kind of make a mound. Guess we can turn it to the side. Now if we turn it this way, you got a few more on the side like that. That's too big. That might fit in there, but that's pushing it. Yeah, that's pushing it. I don't want to break it. So let's slide those in there. Now we got quite a few rocks in there. I don't know, what do y'all think? Some more? I think some more. That's still too big. Alright. So, I guess this is going to have to do for now. I'm going to have to break up some more rocks tomorrow. Got those in my rock bucket. Clean up a mess here. I'll just dump the rest of this soil out. Little bits of rock. And sand in there. Alright, so that's in there. I think I'm going to go get some sand. May as well throw some sand in there off to the side down there at the bottom too, right? Water is in there now. I'm only going to put enough just barely to cover the substrate. And then, like I said, day by day, we'll add a little more water as soon as the plant roots get a better hold of the soil. We'll add a little more in there. So, that's all done. I am not going to put the lid tight on this just yet. We're actually going to leave it open. I am just going to give the cap a quarter of a turn. Alright. So, there you guys go. I got it restarted. As you guys could tell, a lot of the plants are starting to come back now. I've only had this going for like maybe 2 days, so I'm hoping this is a good sign that a lot of the plants already started to take root and started to sprout. We'll keep you guys updated over the next couple of days on how this tank is doing and the next step that we're going to take for this underwater waterfall. I understand I told you guys this may take a little bit longer of a video or longer of a couple of videos. to get this actually up and going. Thanks for hanging in there. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one dropping. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. If you guys want a pair or maybe a trio of mystery snails, drop something down in the comment box. Make sure you go over to my Instagram, hit me up there, and we'll work out the details there. Till next time, guys, always, peace.